Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I will show you how to install the Popstar TV to your Hisense Smart TV. This is very easy. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So what you have to do, please follow this attentively, is to find out where your app store is and launch it. Now, once I launch my Vida app store, this is the official Hisense Vida app store. It is going to bring me to this page here. Since I'm looking for Popstar TV, I'm just going to go over here and search for the application, which is Popstar TV. So here's it over here. And once I launch this or I click OK, it's going to bring me to an installation page that looks like this. And I'll just click install, which application will just simply install to my Hisense Smart TV. Now I'll place it wherever I want, and then I can go ahead and launch the application and start using on my Hisense Smart TV. That's how easy it is to install this application to your Hisense Smart TV.